This is Twit.
Hey everyone, I'm Aunt Pruitt, and this is Hands-On Wellness. Fitness is a big part of my life, and every week, this podcast will cover the intersection of tech and personal wellness. This is not a workout podcast, where I'm a drill sergeant demanding 400 push-ups from you. Instead, I'll review and demo the latest tech that can lead you down the path of a healthier lifestyle. I'll look at gadgets such as fitness trackers, exercise tech, apps, and more. Folks, we have to take our personal wellness more seriously. I'm going to challenge you to do just that. So head over to our website, twit.tv/how, or subscribe on Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or your favorite podcatcher of choice. I look forward to helping you meet your wellness and health goals.